Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Eraser is a 41% glyphosate herbicide. This product is a liquid herbicide that works by stopping the plants from creating certain proteins that are needed for plant growth. Eraser is a non-selective herbicide, which means it will kill any plant it is applied to. Eraser is a highly concentrated, non-selective herbicide. It will kill any plant it is applied to, so extra care must be taken when spraying around ornamental gardens or any non-target plant. If a non-target plant is applied to, wash the plant immediately with water. Due to the high concentration of active ingredient, accurate measurement is crucial. Inaccurate measurements can lead to inconsistent results. If these are a concern, check out Top Shot herbicide. Top Shot is a selective herbicide, so it can be sprayed over most plants and will only kill the weeds. Top Shot also comes in pre-measured ampules for ease of use. Before using Eraser, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Eraser at a rate of 1 to 2.5 ounces per gallon of water, depending on your targeted plant. Make sure to read the label for your specific treatment. To mix and measure Eraser, first fill your sprayer halfway with water. Use a measuring cup to measure out the appropriate amount of product and pour it into your sprayer. Fill your sprayer with the rest of the water and agitate it, and you're ready to apply. Apply Eraser in areas where you do not want any weeds or grass, such as the cracks in your driveway or along your house, and in and around flower beds. Make sure to avoid applying to any non-target vegetation, as Eraser will damage or kill anything it is applied to. Use a piece of cardboard or plastic to protect your desirable plants from drift, and apply during calm, sunny days. This is not only to prevent the product from drifting while you spray, but it also allows the product to activate quicker due to the heat from the sunlight. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry, and after the product is dried, water will not wash it away. Most plants will start showing symptoms and wither after 2 to 4 days, and the plants will completely die after 1 to 2 weeks. Some weeds are more resilient and may require another application in 4 weeks if they have not completely died. You can plant new plants in the treated areas anywhere from 1 day to 1 month after applying Eraser, so make sure to read the label for your specific plant type. If you're looking to improve the overall health and appearance of your yard, use Eraser alongside fertilizers and fungicides. Regular lawn maintenance will keep your yard strong and more likely to fight off weeds and turf disease. We offer all the information you need to get your lawn in top shape. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.